Ano ka magiging confident kung wala ka namang ginagawa? Confidence is not something you wait for. It is something you build. Hi, I'm Jan Bilangel. I share my insights about growth, entrepreneurship, and business. And today, pag-usapan natin yung way para ma-build yung confidence. Confidence comes from doing the thing over and over again. Gusto mo maging confident sa business? Wala ka namang sinimulan. Walang offer, walang content, walang product, walang marketing. Kung gusto mo maging confident na driver, kailangan mo mag-drive araw-araw. Sa sports, sa basketball o kaya sa boxing, hindi ka magiging confident kung hindi ka naman consistent sa training. In life, career or sa negosyo, confidence is produced after action, hindi before. Hindi mo kailangan ng perfect plan. Ang kailangan mo lang is consistent small action. And yes, may mga failure, pero that's normal. Pero habang ginagawa mo, natututo ka. Habang nagkakamali ka, na-adjust mo yung diskarte mo. And over time, you will get better and you start to believe in yourself.